Hi everyone, my name is George and I'm the creator and founder of Smilefy, the unique smile design platform. Our academy started a worldwide comprehensive clinical educational program, hands-on only, to help all colleagues around the world to become better smile designers, better clinicians, to learn new and disruptive smile design workflows and treatment planning. We have 3 modules. First module is Smile Design, Smile Harmony, Anteriors Aesthetic Design, and Smilefy Natural Restorations. We will learn how to take correct digital records of the patient and how to create the digital patient. With pictures, DICOM files, iOS scans, facial scans, we will create a digital 3D version of your patient. We will also learn how to first analyze the patient's smile and create a new smile design from motivational to ideal, 2D smile simulation, 3D smile simulation, and the 3D smile design. We will learn how to create mock-ups, mock-up shells, temporaries, how to use guided workflows, and how to use features like 3Dify to create edgy, unique smiles. We will 3D print the models and discuss all insights about the quality material and the advantages of the 3D printing technologies. 3D Liquify, a distinctive feature, will help us manipulating meshes and creating a particular smile design for your patient. At the end, we will learn how to communicate with the lab, the team, sharing the digital patient using the cloud services of Smilefy. Creating a case presentation was never easier. One click, select your projects and create a presentation with all your details for the treatment. The first module will have an online component to get the introduction, some basic training and the overview. The in-person course will help you becoming an expert and practicing the workflows at the highest level using our Smilefy technology. I'm very excited to come back after 3 years to Australia, your beautiful and unique continent. I invite you to be part of this smile design journey with the Smilefy Academy. With our hands-on courses, best experts in the world and their decades of experience, we want to be part of your journey to excellence. We will constantly innovate, improve and make workflows and expertise accessible around the world with the goal to make patients smile as they wish and feel. See you in April 2023.